Hello friends. Hello friends. I am Shivam Raj. Today we are going to discuss about whether coding is hard or we are doing it in a wrong way. So at first I would like to introduce myself. I am Shivam Raj. I am a 6th semester computer science engineering student in SJVIT. I did HTML, CSS, JavaScript and created some projects related to it like profile, personal profile or some website. Then I created a file manager app with the help of Flutter to store data and manage data stored. I also learned about React so that we can enhance all the front end skills so that we can create a user friendly application. I participated in two hackathons to create a stock prediction application and one mini project I did for clean water and sanitation with the help of Internet of Things. I also done two NPTEL courses related to AI. Course numbers Responsible AI and second one Sustainable Development. And right now learning backend development. I would like to mention my hobbies also. Uh, some of them are traveling, gardening, reading self-help books. That's all about me. And now my friends will introduce himself.
Hello guys,
So
I am Sanjay Kamal and I am from Bangalore, but my hometown is in Odisha, and I'm pursuing my BE in Computer Science Engineering as a sixth semester, where I have done my internship as a web developer, and also I have done my three certificates on hackathon. Also, I have gained the two certificate on JP Morgan's and Oracle Cloud, where I have done some projects like my portfolio using some front end skills, and also we have done a workout project also, that is backend and front end together we are doing. Currently we are doing, and now currently I am learning about backend, that is Spring Boot, and I'm just started with that.
okay, good. Any NPTEL courses?
Yeah, I have done two NPTEL courses like Responsible AI, and one more is System Design and Sustainability. The two courses I have done in the last sem.
Good.
Yeah,
So on our today's topic, whether coding is hard or we are doing it in a different way, wrong way.
yeah.
So the first question is whether coding is wrong. Means whether coding is hard.
See, there are two types of coding that people are using like that. Like first is by learning, understanding the things, and second part is like by hearting everything, memorizing everything, not understanding anything. That is the two part where students will use. So where coding is hard, you are saying, right? So where this belongs to the second part I have told, that students are using means by hearting everything, not understanding the code. That is basically so that the coding is hard for them. Basically, which people are learning the code, all understanding the codes and all. For them, it is not hard because they know the concept how it is basically using, what is the use case of that and all. So yeah, that is the main part of that. So if you are saying like learning it wrongly and all coding, so it is not wrong, but you should understand about it, the code, what, how it is, like you are using follow, why you are using follow. So like we are printing, if you only memorize like that, we are using follow, okay, to print like that. But inside that, how it is using basically, that all we have to understand. Then see,
Correct. Like coding is a very big ocean. If you will try
mm,
to memorize everything, you can't memorize it. If you would try to understand, you will get, and you will get to know how it is working, and you can implement in different ways also.
mm,
It's like preparation of JE. If you will try to memorize everything, you can't do. If you will know how it is working, then only you can use it. Like every question you will get in interview will be different, not same
mm.
as compared to
So
previous.
I want to add for this, like many people are seeing the videos in YouTube or any platform, but they are only seeing the videos. They are not basically using, not implementing that. That is a very
Correct.
much disadvantage. That they are basically wasting their time by seeing only. You have to
Hmm.
implement that, do the code, then you can understand that code actually. Than only
Correct.
seeing the video.
Correct.
Yeah.
They thought if you will learn, you can do everything. But
Mm,
actually,
yeah.
if you will learn and you will not implement it in real projects, you can't learn anything. You will forget after 1 week or even one day.
Yeah. So maybe first you will get some difficulties to learn, but after that, when times will go next day, next day, next day, you can understand more goodly than in
Hmm.
the first day. You are struggling to understand that thing. Needs time.
It's like it's like when we started learning ABCD, we
Yeah.
thought why we are learning.
Yeah. After that, we know now. Like we can say
Hmm.
anything. Like from ABCD to our words, like apple, ball.
Okay, so as of your answer, the big I got the answer of second question whether people are doing coding in a wrong way or not. Means
Mm,
yes, people are doing coding in a wrong way. They
yeah.
are learning, they are not implementing. So
So I want to ask you a question. So
mm,
in college VS, you are seeing videos, which is more efficient, means which the student can understand more, online or offline later, using coding.
say again, not getting.
Like you just think that you are in a college and you are learning.
Hmm.
That VS, you are learning in the online at home only,
Hmm.
which we will get more profit and also which you will get more understanding in that.
Of course, learning in home through videos
Hmm.
as compared to college teachers.
Why? Like you can say explain it.
Okay, so at first I clarify the question. You are asking that are you getting more information with the help of YouTube videos as
Yeah.
compared to teachers, as
Hmm.
compared to teachers teaching in our college, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the best answer of this question is I was I was learning everything in college
Hmm.
through once through a teacher having very less knowledge of that subject in every semester. Like in first semester also I seen few teachers having zero knowledge on the subject which he or she was teaching. Because of teacher shortage, HOD are forcing those teachers to teach us. And because of salary, they are trying to teach us, but they are only reading. They are only reading PPTs or PDF, which you will not get anything. If someone will read in front of you and say you that, okay, this is the concept and you should memorize it, and I will ask every concept on the basis of this PDF only. Every concept will be only from that PDF or PPT. But as you told that in coding, you feel if you will learn something, you should know that how it is working. like while loop. You give an example how while loop is working. So in while loop there is a condition. If that condition will satisfy, only that body will learn. Coding inside while body will learn. But those students who don't know how while loop is working will not implement the same question, same while loop in different questions. They will only implement in the same question if someone asks. Like that same, our teachers are teaching something which he or she don't know anything. He or she just reading and telling that memorize it. Don't understand, just memorize it. I will ask same question in internal external. So the main mistake is shortage of teachers in college. While we are so this is the problem why we are not getting more information in college. So and so the answer of why we are getting more information in YouTube's videos. So in YouTube's we can prefer those teachers who is teaching better, right? We can
Yeah,
choose. So on the basis of this concept, we choose only those who are teaching a subject having their knowledge, not reading something, having their knowledge of some years, like 4 or 5 years of experience on a topic. Only then we will choose a teacher. So that's why we are getting more information in YouTube videos than teachers in college.
yeah. So I can add there where no, we can implement both also offline and online. In offline, we are giving the test of think you are studying about that course, like you think you are learning Java, so you are giving
Mhm.
offline exam. So there for exam you will prepare for that before one day or any day. So you will understand more, like it will go to your mind correctly.
Correct.
So so there you can understand more also. Like you are without seeing and giving your exam, and that means you know some topics correctly.
Actually, at
Yeah,
that time, the concept of concentration, at that time, you will not get any distraction in your mind if you are preparing for examination one day before. You will only focus on examination that I want to get more marks, more marks, more marks. I don't want anything. I don't want to eat.
yeah. That fear it will come in your mind.
Fear. Hmm,
Like I will be failed if I don't read and all. Like
hmm, correct. Because of that, we have concentration, so much concentration, 100% efficiency and concentration.
yeah, if we will get that much consistency
Every
every day, then in 1 year we will be in a top most in a student we will be top of a coder
of course of the
for
college.
sure. Yeah. What I will be
But
advising to your juniors if they are starting in a first year,
what? Say again.
what you will be advising to your juniors,
Okay.
like they are now joining to your engineering or any courses field.
Okay. So there are few um, advice. First one, I first one is English communication. Communication skill. They should improve their communication skill from the beginning. Like I did a mistake during first year, but if we will know something and okay, after some time I will explain it why I am saying it. First one, communication skill. Second, presentation skill, making presentation, how to make presentation. Third one,
Now everyone will be doing that only. Gamma using AI.
and third one is report making. These are the things. And like doing some extra activity so that you will be more effective. So explanation of why I am saying these points. First one,
Should be
communication skill.
confident mainly.
Confident.
That is very
Be
important.
con- hmm, be confident if you are doing wrong also,
Yeah.
so that you can
In public speaking, also you need that confidence to talk around
hmm,
100 of people.
so that you can accept yourself that yeah, I am doing wrong, and next time I will not do it. If you are not confident, you will not accept yourself. So
Yeah.
why I am saying the explanation, if you will know anything, right? If you will know anything and a teacher told you to explain in front of class and you are not able to explain, only the reason is you don't have English English communication skill. So it doesn't matter what you know or not. People thought that you don't know anything, but you know. Only problem is you are not able to convert that thought into English. You know in your own mother tongue, but you are not able to translate it into English and showcase in front of class. So it will be like you don't know anything. How someone in front of you will thought that you know if you will not show your so what you know. So this is the
Mm.
first point, communication skill. Second one, presentation skill. Like presentation is the best way of representing something you know, right? Presentation in class. So you should know how to make presentation also. Not using AI. AI is not helpful. For me, it is not helpful as compared to if you know to create manually. Third one, report making. If you are working on something and you don't know how to make a report is like research paper. We can say it a research paper
Mm.
uh, in most of the cases, like in
Ra, ra, ra.
college. But we had not created any research paper. We created report many times. And last one, what was the last one I told?
Consistency.
Hmm, no, last one I told confidence.
Mm.
That was not on. What was the last point I told? I told 4 point. For what? Leave it. So these are the things we should do from first year, first semester.
Also, you should know that failure is not actually your failure. Failure is the step of your success. If you fail, also don't think you are in going to the failure thing. If you want
It
to
is
be
the
success, if you want to become success, you want to be becoming a failure also. Then you can go to next level.
correct. If you want to add something, you can add like what first year students should not do and what should do. Selling of Asian
Yeah,
content.
many things like first year students in a first year they will
Like
fail.
selling of
Don't
Asian content.
think that no, if you have failed, okay, this is okay, but you don't uh, get up like you should think that I have to do in the next semester. I have to get the marks, correct marks, good marks. I have to do that much work hard. Then you will get that success. If you become like, Array, I have failed and I don't want to be like reading and all, then you are failure only. If you think that, okay, I have to do this, next time I have to do good, better than your failure thing, then you can go to a successful life.
Correct.
And that success you will get, no, you will feel that pride. Yes, I've got like your marks.
I, I have a quote on your thought. So the quote is success is only once within 100 failures. You will get only one success after 100 failure. Failure failure is the most probable thing. Success is only one.
Yeah,
Success having only 1% chance.
but you should be consistent.
Hmm,
Then
correct.
you can get.
We can make a self-help YouTube videos.
Yeah.
So that's all about today's topic.
Yes.
Whether uh, we are doing like the today's topic was coding is hard or we are doing it in a wrong way. So that's
Wrong
all
way.
about it.
Yes.
Coding is not hard. Summary of our thought, our talk is coding is not hard. Actually, we are doing in a wrong way. We are if you are watching videos and you thought that I know everything, it is not correct. If you can't able to implement it in real world projects, you can't do anything. You don't know anything. Just accept it. So that's all about
Also
today.
this this one also. Don't see the video this like that. See this video and do that work correctly. Comment below if you are actually starting like that.
Yeah, of course. Comment below if you need any help also.
Yeah, we will message as soon as possible.
So that's all. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye.